When it comes to trends versus timeless, I'll say that my designs, and I personally lean towards timeless more. I'm a big believer of designing spaces that people are gonna love for a very, very long time. So with that said, I really want to focus on what is it that our clients like and love. What is the vision that they have for their home? I mean, is there a piece of magazine? Is there a piece of fabric that they like? And that information is more important to us than what is it that is the color of the year. We will definitely want to incorporate elements that are maybe a little bit unexpected from what our clients are envisioning, just to we definitely want to bring our design personality, our design aspect into the space. But I think the more important piece of all is that we are a design focused company, and we want to make sure that we design spaces for our clients.